Welcome back, children. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is division. Students, you have already learnt this topic in your previous class. So first of all, we will recall the division by using multiplication facts. For example, 18 into 2 is 36. We all know. Now we can write it like this: 36 divided by 18 gives us 2, or we can also write it 36 divided by 2 gives you 18. Another example is 4 into 8 is 32. So we can write 32 divided by 4 is 8, or 32 divided by 8 gives you 4. Now let us start the division by using long division method. These 4 questions we will do now. Fine. First is, we have to multiply 75,732 by 12. Now you all know the table of 12. So let us start. 12 into 6 is 72. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 will come down. Now 12 into 3 is 36. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 will come down. Then 12 into 1 is 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 2 will come down, and 12 into 1 is 12. Now every time you will write the quotient and the remainder. Now this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Clear? Next is, we have to divide 5428 by 14. So let us start. 14 into 3 is 42. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 comes down. 14 into 6 is 84. Now 2 will come down. So 14 into 0 is 0. Then 8 comes down. We get 28. You can do it in another way, like 2 comes down. Now we cannot divide it, so 8 will also come down. And whenever the 2 digits comes together, we always put 0 in the quotient. So 14 into 2 is 28. So what is the quotient now? This is your quotient, and whatever we are getting here, this is your remainder. Clear? Now next one is, we have to divide 6,83,200 by 13. Now 13 into 5 is 65. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 will come down. 13 into 2 is 26. 13 minus 6, 7. 2 comes down. 13 into 5 is 65. Now 12 minus 5 is 7. 0 comes down. So 13 into 5 is 65. 10 minus 5 is 5. So now what is the quotient? Quotient is 5255. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. Clear? Next is, we have to divide 9,78,125 by 15. So let us start. 15 into 6 is 90. 7 minus 0, 7. Then 8 comes down. 15 into 5 is 75. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 comes down. 15 into 2, 30. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 comes down. 15 into 0 is 0. We got 12. Now 5 comes down. 15 into 8 is 120. So what is the remainder here we are getting? We are not getting remainder 0. We are getting something in the remainder, and that is 5. And what is the quotient we getting? We are getting 65,208. Children, you need to do lot of practice for the division. So on the daily basis you will do at least 5 questions for the division. Clear? Now take a break for 2 minutes and do the following question. You have to divide 32,01,667 by 12. Break is over now. You have to let us discuss its solution now. We have to divide 32,01,667 by 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 12 minus 4, 8. 1 comes down. 12 into 6, 72. 11 minus 2, 9. 6 comes down. 12 into 8, 96. So now 6 will come down and we cannot divide it by 12. So 7 will also come down. And whenever two digits come together, we put 0. So now 12 into 5, 60. So what is the remainder we are getting? We are getting remainder 7. And what is the question? 26,805. Now children, I am giving you some homework. You have to do exercise 4.9 in book. 4.10 you have to do question 1 A, B part. Question 2 full. Then question 3 only C part. Then from chapter 5 you have to do exercise 5.1 in book. 5.2 3 parts, that is B, E, I. 5.3 you have to do 3 parts H, E, G. Thank you children.